Hello everyone, I'm Sajid. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about the screen of gestures, how to enable in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, so by using the screen of gestures, you do get different functionalities as well. For example, you can open any other application by using this kind of screen of gestures. As you can see right now, I did open the music player just by writing the M, and you can use the W for the WhatsApp. And there are a couple of things you need to know, friends. And in this video, I'll be trying to talk completely about this gesture control in this Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, so these are Realme X7 smartphone. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro. You can find all the videos which are uploaded, more than 200 videos on this Realme X7 Pro alone. Even if you want to download the live wallpaper, there is a separate playlist as well, so check the links in description for more details. So let's get started, friends, where you can find this kind of interesting option where by using that you can actually open the applications directly from the lock screen. As you can see, friends, I did open the Flipkart directly just by writing W. So as an example, I have taken the Flipkart, but you can also use the WhatsApp and M for other messenger, something like that. You can get a quick access from the lock screen. So to access that, you need to go to the settings and go to the convenience tool. As you can see here, you do have the option of the gestures and the motions. So right now I'll try to do only the video on the gestures, and again I'll try to do the separate video on the motions because it's a complete big tutorial. So that's why I thought of keeping the two different parts, so I can focus the motions in other video and gestures in this video. The first gestures you do get is that once you need to turn on the screen of gestures. So now you can use the double tap to turn on the screen, draw O to open the camera, draw V to turn on the flashlight, even for the music control as well. So you can use the different symbols to change forward and backward the music, as you can see, to play the next song and to play the previous song. So these are useful when you're using the music control gestures, as you can see, friends, clearly. And you do have a special option which is called the add gestures. So these are the few different options you can select from. I think total there are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7. So 7 different gestures you are getting, by using which you can actually open any other application. So for example, if you want to use the draw inverted V, now you can select an option called start an application. So now you can select any other application which you want as a V, which starts with the V. So maybe the Viber or any other application. So let me try to select the Play Store. As you can see, if you try to draw the inverted V, it will try to open the Play Store. As you can see, friends, clearly, it's really fast and really good. If you don't use any Face ID scanning or the fingerprint unlocking, then it might be able to open very faster. As you can see, friends, so overall it's a really good screen of gestures which is present in this Realme smartphone. So most of the time I do use this kind of feature where I would want to go to the directly to the WhatsApp by accessing the W and M for the messenger. So this is my overall combination whenever I'm using this phone. But most favorite is that using the music control, where I can just change the song, play previous and the play next song just by using this kind of symbols, as you can see, friends. So these are the few gesture controls where you are getting in this smartphone. And there are some other gesture controls, which is that when if you want to take the screenshot, you just need to swipe 3 times in the bottom, and then you can get the screenshot, as you can see, friends. So that's the option you can enable in the settings. You can find here, as you can see, screen gestures you can turn on. So this is how you can do it by using the 3 fingers gestures just by swiping downwards, as you can see, friends. And this is a quick gesture control techniques and tips and tricks on this Realme X7 Pro. And for more hidden tips and tricks on this Realme X7 Pro, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, friends. As I said, I'll be doing so many in-depth videos on this Realme X7 Pro. You need to know all the things about this device before you are buying the phone. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.